I can do full hair tricks.
That's pretty good, man.
Nice.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Hey, what's up, man?
I'm always online watching.
Oh, yeah? Thank you for watching. Oh, that's different.
Yeah.
Is that a 6-inch or an 8?
6-inch.
Okay. Nice. The low port area and the long port helps dial that low frequency. So he's probably tuned to what, 26, 28 hertz range? 25, yeah. So being tuned that low, it's all about the tuning. And his port length, how far back does it go?
I stayed about right here, I want to say.
Yeah, so the port length and the small port area helped him get there. But he don't play above 45 probably. He's the lower frequencies.
There you go. Wow.
I do high skill sets on suicide, stuff like that.
That's for me, that's where it's at. Anybody can make it loud.
But it's hard to get a truck windy. It took me fucking forever to get this damn thing windy.
So what's up with these?
So this actually, what we did was we used 2-part adhesive foam, which is resin foam mix.
Yeah.
And we put these over and we just poured into the curb assist down here.
It helped. I'll hold this, so it can seal it.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Yeah. And all of that space is sealed, so that pressure is contained.
Yeah. Nowhere to go but forward.
Correct. Yep. I like it. Bass Outlaws top 10. Nice. All right. Yeah, let's check it out. Nice. Oh, you got 2 of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
2 cabs, wired up 1 on each.
You cut into your trunk too.
Uh-huh.
Get as much space as possible.
I couldn't get the box in.
Oh.
Yeah.
It had to go in through the back. Okay.
And because the only way this car gets loud, it subs up 4 back.
Oh, you couldn't do trunk wall?
I couldn't do trunk wall. I lose 3 decibels.
That's just the cabin in the vehicle, yeah. Man. Have you ever, this sounds stupid, but have you ever considered cutting out the back part, top area?
I've thought about it.
Yeah.
I'm planning on walling it after this year.
Yeah.
I'm going to do 1 more season in trunk and then I'm going to go to wall.
Yes, sir. Okay. Nice. So, you built the box, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
So, do you know the specs, the tuning, and
Yeah.
peak frequency, cubics?
I peak at 30 and cubic foot wise about 4.5.
Okay.
6-inch airport, tuned about 25.6.
25. All right. Nice. And your SPL score, burp, and then music?
Music, Subsonic Suicide, 2-minute long is a 147. Burp
good.
is a 48.5.
48. Nice. You hold that dB. Nice job, man.
Gotta love my voltage.
Yeah, yeah. And these amps, are they cab 45?
Yep, they're Cat 45s.
Are they 1 ohm each?
I clamped today 1,500 watts out of each one.
Okay. Oh, there's your lithium, right?
Yeah, headway, 96 amp hour headway.
Nice. Man, that's crazy. That little thing is 96 amp hours. Wow. And the alternator, I don't know.
Alternator, the Autotech 320.
320. Okay. I'd love to hear it, man. Looks really good.
There is my son. There we go.
So when you compete, do you put a window down? Or...
Actually, I have to
Wow. Wow. Yeah, the door open made it a little bit lower, windier.
It makes it so much
It does.
bigger. I can do full hair tricks.
That's pretty good, man.
Nice.
Wow. So when you compete, do you put a window down? Or...
Actually, I have
Wow. All right, man. Nice to meet you. Appreciate the demo, man.